Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make a transparent gradient in Photoshop. Or to apply step 1, insert it to a image and use transparent gradient. Click the apex gradient overlay, select transparent gradient and choose your gradient color. Opacity, scale, move, angle. Okay. And step 2, again insert it to a image. Okay, then create a new layer, double click, create a new layer, select the gradient options, use transparent gradient and gradient color blue or green as you wish. Then select OK. Then up image, right click, create clipping mask. Again, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.